Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. I got a stuffy nose and I've been sick for a few days. But today's a good day to work on the truck, and I have something new that's coming up today, and we're going to be installing it. I've been waiting for about 5-6 months to get this, and hopefully I'm going to be happy as like everybody recommended for this part that I'm going to install on the truck. So today I'm at my cousin's shop, and we're going to be installing this new product. This product is the Chassis Unlimited Octane dual swing bumper, and this is how it came delivered. It's at the shop right now. It's on a roughly 7-foot pallet. Can't be 8. It's all shrink wrapped, all boxed up, has some packing slip. It's been properly wrapped, secured, no issues. Took about 7 days, probably it was actually 5 days to get delivered to the shop. So they recommend having a shop that has a forklift and a loading dock, where you won't have to be charged, I believe it was $300 fee if you get delivered to your house with a one of those lift gates that they have on the back of the trucks. This was a straight truck that had a lift gate, but they pulled up to this dock right here, and it was unloaded with a forklift, and it was put there until right now. So once I have my lunch, and then we'll be able to bring the truck inside here, inside the shop, and we'll be able to start taking this stuff apart, and we'll see how it goes. So this is the current bumper that I have. It's original bumper, and I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but the problem is that I have, I'm not gonna say I'm afraid, but I'd rather not have it happen to me. If I'm off-roading or anywhere off the trail, even, you know, driving on the road somewhere within about 100 miles, find somebody that could come and repair a 37-inch or 20-inch tire when you don't have a 5th tire, you know, a spare. So I needed a spare, and let's go take a look and see what's gonna happen after my lunch break. So now we just unpackaged the bumper, and this is how it looks like from the back side. What they did was they bolted these down to the frame so the bumper doesn't slide anywhere. Back here as well, here's the latches. This is how the back of the bumper looks like when it swings out. This releases, and this just swings out to the right, and this side swings out to the left. Bumper's mounted on 4 bolts. Here's the bracket, if you guys want to see, that mounts for the 3-inch lights that go on the back. Then they have their logo on each side. Then this is for the what is this for? This is for the trailer lights. And I believe there's also, they have mounts here for the light, well, the lights, the mounts for the lights are here. Then there's also LED lights that they provide. D-Wall or go home. Bringing this on a dolly, kick my butt. It's heavy, even with 2 people. So the hold up for this bumper was this. So I believe Chassis Unlimited, they don't design this mechanism right here, and they needed somebody, that company where they bought it from, where it gets manufactured, they took a while to get this, but it's been powder coated. This is amazingly awesome. Yes, found it. Lesson learned, mark your keys.
No, it should be lesson learned. Don't buy these cheap locks.
Or that. They're a good brand. You guys should check them out. Here's the bolts, nuts, washers, and they come with 2 sets of LEDs. And this is the package that they had. Right here, a Lope LED bulb. So finally we got this up and running. Took a little bit of leveling, and since the old owner had this old bumper welded, we had to cut the welds and set this one in. But now it's secure, looking good, nice and flush. I'll add my reverse lights later on and throw my hitch on. See how it looks like with this shut off. Oh, closed. Looks amazing. Looks small though, how big this vehicle is. Once you guys see it in real life, it's a little bit different than what you really see in videos and pictures that I post. I believe this is a good setup. I like it. See you guys on the next one. Whenever I'm going to be doing my next video, there's something awesome coming up. So you guys enjoy.